and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in sunny, hot Florida. I'm fiddling with leftovers today. I did a painting that I absolutely loved yesterday, and these paints are all left over from a very, very neutral colors. Excuse me, I'm sorry, but that's totally this girl's jam. And I thought I'd fiddle a little more, maybe do a couple of flip cups, and then once it dries, possibly add some of my lovely Cozo papers or my jelly plate prints to it. So I'm just playing, I'm fiddling, and that's what it's all about, guys. Let's talk about our colors. Over here we have Rustoleum Metallics in their Champagne. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful paint, guys. We also have Modern Masters, which I believe Modern Masters and Rustoleum are pretty much the same company. And this is their Snowflake. Lovely, lovely paint. I'll show you the consistency here in just a second. And then over here on this side, we have Golden Fluids in the raw umber. Golden Fluids in the Vandyke brown hue. Golden medium body paint in the Iridescent pearl. Such a beautiful, beautiful paint. And then we have Golden Fluids in the Iridescent bronze. Very neutral, just like my house. These are the colors in my home. All of our paints today started off with paint, a healthy squirt of Golden GAC 800, and then my pouring medium, which today is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. So we have about 1 part paint, that healthy squirt of GAC 800, and then 2.5 to 3 parts of the pouring medium. What else? I don't know. I'm just going to kind of slap some different base coat colors down to give it a nice slick surface. You're going to see me tilt for a while because I want the majority of the base coat color off. I just need a slick surface for those other paints to travel across. And then some flip cups. I don't know, maybe a traveling ring pour, maybe some swiping. That's the nice thing about leftovers. It's almost like a given that you have to play with it. But I want the painting to be very, very minimal. I'm not sure which orientation I'm going to go with. Probably this. And then I'm going to do some work with some fabric and maybe some polymer clay down the center, or maybe some texture. I don't know. We will see, guys. So hang out with me and then you'll see. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's get busy.
about your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe